Alright, nice to see you here. Today we are gonna go over the BravEdge Chef Knife. I've done a chef knife on this channel before. It was a Teclat German steel engraved kitchen / chef knife, and both are exquisite. This one, an 8-inch blade, 8-inch bladed 320 gram kitchen knife. It looks very nice. That's one of the main reasons I got it, is because I saw it and that was it. I wanted it. That, and I'm in the market for a new kitchen knife. But beside the point, it's pretty low priced. I got it for I think £14 or so, which is pretty good. Overall, 13.4 inches, which is 34 centimeters. The blade, like I mentioned, is 8 inches, but I'll just say that's 20.5 centimeters. It's incredibly well balanced, really good for pretty much any kind of cutting you want to do. Very versatile. You want to cut some vegetables? Slice. You want to cut some meat? Slice. You want to cut some I don't know, butter? Slice. Don't know why I would use a kitchen knife for butter, but anyway, the materials are quite strong, quite strong, quite a durable knife. When using it, it's not gonna slice your hand open either, or cleaning it as well, because the bottom 0.39 inches of the blade itself, so the opposite side to the tip, they're blunt. Well, not there, but it's blunt. It's blunted, because if you want to check it out, go check my Teclat German steel kitchen knife out. The bottom of that knife wasn't blunted, and you can see the blade goes all the way down to the bottom. I cut my hand on that, like, pretty deep when I was using it. Went to put it back into its sheath, and the bottom part there, I just poked my hand. Little poke, but it drew blood, so it's sharp. This one is also very sharp, obviously. Incredibly sharp. So it's very good that protective non-sharp edge, I guess, is there, because that would slice you open. Anyway, it's became available in 2019, so October 28th, 29th, something along those lines, 2019. So it's been around for a few years. The company itself, BravEdge, have been in business for 20 years. Well, this business for 20 years, and have excellent products like this one. There's a bunch of other ones that I've seen that I'm tempted right now to go on Amazon and buy, but not sponsored yet. Comes with a lovely case with a felt-like linen. I'll show you on the screen just now, and a nicely fitting sheath. The sheath is a similar one to the Teclat one, where it's just a plastic cover. Really, you can't really call it a sheath. Actually, I suppose it is just a plastic cover. Just, you know, to protect anyone grabbing the knife from any untoward angle. Overall, brilliant knife. Excellent. Would rate it a solid 8 out of 10. Not 10 out of 10 because it's a kitchen knife. I don't rate kitchen knives 10 out of 10. Because I'll go for looks. I mean, yeah, this one looks really good, but like compared to the M-Tech Tanto that I have, or the Elk Ridge skinning knife, or the bloody Gentleman's Lock knife, it's, you know, it could look better. But it's a kitchen knife. So to conclude, to summarise, to get to the end of this, to get to the point, to cut down to the chase, to not beat around the bush, I would recommend this knife. It's pretty damn nice. There's no reason not to get it. If you're looking for a kitchen knife, BravEdge, I would say, is a good make. Go for that, and you will be happy, from what I've seen and felt on the knife. Either way, if you want to subscribe for more knife related content, then that's pretty cool. I appreciate subscriptions, helps the channel out and all that. 115 subs, let's go. If you want to like the video, that'd be pretty cool, I guess. If you want to go and check out the other videos, especially that Teclat German steel kitchen knife, then you're more than welcome to. It would make sense because I've spoken about it 17 times in this video. And I'll see you in the next video that I put out in 3 weeks. No, I'm kidding. I'm more of a frequent uploader now here, because I actually have a dedicated area to record the video. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.